Smart aging with stem cell therapy. I will introduce to you the concept or probably a revolution for anti-aging with stem cell therapy. Everybody wants to be young. This is a very recent photographs of me, of two of us together. But wanting is something else. Getting it something different. Biological clocks never stops. Aging has no mercy. This is the Eastern look. This is the Western look. I will deal with a couple of facts. The biggest fact dawns between 30 to 40 years. Rather, I should say 30 years. When we realize all is not well. And this is what Dhoni has realized. That he cannot continue to be the captain of the country's team. Again here, between 30 to 40 they realize all is not well. But then when they start getting the white hair and the beard, they know the time has come. Another big fact, 7 to 8% of our classmates, friends, family members have a failing mental faculty past 60 years. It's a grave thing to happen, but this is the story. Couple of your classmates can't even recognize you. You feel very sad. When we inquired top 50 gynecologists of Delhi who are aging, everyone is scared of losing mental faculty. Whether it is me, whether it is my friend Uma Rai, whether it is my mentor Dr. Urmil Sharma, and another person I appreciate very well who has enormous capacity, Dr. Sheila Mehra. Again, she is scared of only losing mental faculty. She is not scared whether her hair have become white, or she is not scared whether she has got wrinkles, but she is only worried about losing mental faculty. Now, what is the latest news? The latest news is that few anti-aging secrets are there. People are keeping them very close to their hearts. And the stem cell therapy has taken a giant leap, using stem cells to reactivate the healing cells within your body to need a little boost. He has had repeated stem cell therapy and he says, I'm plus 80 but I feel 20 years younger. So much so that in Bahamas he is starting an institute for the population of that particular place. B.K. Modi, very dear to all of us. Though he is from India, he has now shifted to Singapore. He is the fourth richest man in Singapore. He has many things in this particular country. Now, he was ailing for some time. He has had a stem cell therapy for anti-aging, and his PA, who happens to be an MD medicine, she says the kind of capacity and the kind of energy this man has, he can drive 5 PAs like me crazy. He says this particular therapy is unbelievable science, and very proudly says, hey, I'm 20 years younger. Then comes this particular man who is supposed to be anti-aging guru, Terry Grossman. His very big interview came in Times of India in April 2015. And he gave talks in Delhi in Ashoka Hotel, which was attended by 1,000 people, all big personalities, where he talked about anti-aging. And again, he talked in Dr. Modi's institute, City Saket Hospital. He is an amazing man, same age as myself. He says, the world is getting ready for the biggest shock of anti-aging and longevity. He says too much change has taken place in a very short time, all in the last 10-15 years. It is middle of 21st century. It is expected, and our team is confident that we will see anti-aging revolution offering hope to masses with stem cell therapy, which will contribute 50%, and 50% will come from drastic lifestyle changes. Now, what was yesterday? The life expectancy in 19th century was 47 years, in 2000 it was 72 years, and in 2015 is 82 years in Japan. And every year we add 3 to 4 months to our life, and the time is not far away when we are going to add 1 to 1, and that will be the point of no return. What we have today? In today's time, 1 in 100 lives, they live for 100 years. 1 in million, a person will live for 110 years. And 1 in billion, in today's time, will live for more than 120 years. Nobody has lived beyond 130 years so far. There is an academy, American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. Its prediction is that by 2050, many productive and healthy men and women, 100 years plus, will be reality and common occurrence. As far as this academy is concerned, it has got 26,000 certified doctors. They give a training, then only they give certificate, and these are the doctors who have mushroomed out anti-aging spa whole of the Western world, and those are the people who are coming even Southeast Asia. Their prediction is that we will reach a point after which lives will be longer and healthier, and that is the time that the secrets of longevity will be revealed. People ask sometimes, there is nothing like an absolute truth. The truth is time bound. The truth of yesterday is not the truth of today, and the truth of today probably will not be the truth of tomorrow. The change is the reality. You all know about this stem cell story. I think in my last presentations here, I gave the complete history of stem cell therapy. When the Bush regime came, they blocked everything. No federal support was given to this particular research. But when Obama came, when he said in 2009 March, he said, there is a no finish line in the work of science. I'm looking for a day when the words like terminal illness and the incurable are finally retired from the vocabulary of we people. The credit goes to this man. I admire him quite a bit. He paved the way by bringing dedicated stem cell therapy hospital in Gujarat. At the moment, there is only one private hospital in Ahmedabad, and in June there will be another 250 dedicated Gujarat government hospital is coming up in Surat. And now 2 hospitals are coming up in Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, and both are government hospitals dedicated to stem cell therapy. In the last 15 years, the anti-aging clinics have mushroomed in the Western world using stem cell therapy. Now, which technique is the biggest secret of this anti-aging clinics? We all know the human race has been fighting and losing battle against the science of aging. Numerous anti-aging treatments, the products and the procedures have come and gone with limited success. But I can assure to this particular gathering is the stem cell therapy has come to stay. What about the stem cell therapy? The adult autologous stem cell therapy is the most important component for several reasons, because this is the magic cell. These magic cells can replicate itself, they can repair, they can differentiate into many cell types. We all know now there's a robust evidence available. They can be a repair for heart tissue following a heart attack. They can heal a non-healing wounds effectively. They can be of great help in type 1 and type 2 diabetes. They can cure arthritis for regenerative cartilage and bones, and probably there will not be need for knee replacement therapies, and it will be a big relief for neurological disorders like muscular dystrophy and Parkinson's and many other illnesses. I don't want to go into details at this particular time. In my last lecture to you people, I highlighted all these points. Now, if we ordinary doctors, all clinicians here, could find an easy way of using an adult autologous stem cells from bone marrow or from the adipose tissue or blood, the job is done in 60% of cases. Why I say 60%? 10% are infections, 10 to 12% are surgical tumors where surgery need to be done in any way, and 10% are cancers. So the rest is remaining is 60% is where already degenerative process has started and you require regenerative therapy. This Nobel laureate said that in science, especially in medicine, unrevealing secrets takes a lot of time. But sometimes you find the magic stick comes in your line, but there are so much of laws that it takes almost 15 to 20 years before it reaches a common man. And here the researchers and the government has to become proactive so the solution can be passed on to the people with no hope disorders. There are 3 C's today. The biggest challenge is that the people who have got the secret, they have to share. After entering in IVF technology, I found that the people don't want to share what HCG triggered they give. Leave aside HMG, leave aside anything else. They just don't want to part. The senior resident working in your own place, you don't want to ask them to come to an IVF center because they will know the secrets. So the biggest challenge of we people is that we need to share. And the second commitment is that we have to multiply hands. Center like us, couple of more centers in Delhi probably is not going to do things. We have to see to it more and more hands are multiplied. And the curiosity by public awareness has to be generated for public demand. And then we should live to see the results during our own lifetime. The future of anti-aging is from medicine, it is completely shifted to regenerative medicine, where there's a hope for regeneration, there's hope for repair, the hope for reverse and remedy. What is the program of anti-aging and a disease-free healthy life? Stem cell therapy contributes 50%. In this anti-aging spa, also, they just write one clause that this is stem cell therapy. They don't focus that the stem cell therapy is 50%. They focus on these frills which are added on to stem cell therapy, and these are, you can take it from us, that markedly calories cut is going to increase your lifespan with modification of diet. This is the biggest secret. Supplementation will be required. Cosmetic tips will be given to you. Again, using your own stem cells also at times the creams are made. Exercise is going to be a very big component. Socializing and developing attitude to give and help people. That's very important. हम बस को लेना ही है, हमने खसोटना ही है, then it is not going to help. Your mental attitude has to change, and then you have to bring creativity to add value to your life. Friend of mine, Sadhvi Thambra, she's off grains for the last 10 years. No chapati, no dal, nothing. Just some fruits and vegetables and milk, nuts. And she says, I feel younger, full of energy. She has passed 50 years. She's excited. She's one of the candidates for anti-aging. She says, when are you going to do it for me? But she is scared, what is the use of living to the age of 150 or 200 years if it is with disease? But the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine says that you will live healthy and disease-free. Because if the reverse happens, that reality is not desirable. Our team believes that in the next 10-12 years, the dramatic changes in population will become more visible in public. In this next 15 years, this will be the therapy for elite and rich. But when the elite and rich will find Aishwarya not aging at all, other people not aging at all, then in that particular case, probably when the celebrities will come around and speak to you, then probably the public awareness will go to that size. And I think we will all watch the historic moments of happening in the medical history, which is with stem cell therapy. So let's recap. At 30 to 40, the reality dawns on people all is not well. That's the time the aging starts. Good 7 to 8% of our colleagues have a varying grade of physical and mental deterioration, and we are confident that the aging could be prevented or halted or delayed by anti-aging program using stem cell therapy and a drastic lifestyle changes. Looks and physical stamina will improve anyway. For that, I'm really not bothered about it. They will improve anyway. Our future is that stem cell therapy will bring repair to our system and regenerate our system. So the future of anti-aging with stem cell therapy will bring is going to be on the forefront of the medical care in the next 15-20 years. They will give us a longer and exciting life. We will look much younger. We have a creative quality life, and whole era of regenerative healthcare will bring balance to our life, which is going to be remaining. My special thanks to the gentleman in the corner, right corner. This gentleman created interest in me of stem cell therapy 4 years earlier. I did not know anything about it. And then this Terry Grossman is my mentor, and this young boy of 32 years, Prabhu Mishra. The Stem Cell Society of India has got people up to 80 years of age. And this boy of 32 is the Secretary General of this society. And he says, whatever is done in the world, we will bring it for you. And lastly, I have a great hope from this particular team, which will stand by my dream that anti-aging things will be a possibility. Thank you very much.